Pretty nice mower, isn't it? Yeah. Toro. Blade override system. Bagger. But I'm sure we've all had the problem where when you start it, the lawnmower, you get this. Nothing. Well, there are a whole different bunch of causes for that. Could have water in the gas. Could have a bad air filter. Yeah, it could just be, what the hell do you call it? Flooded. The engine could be flooded. But in this case, it's the air filter. I took it off, whole bunch of crap in there. There's grass, weeds. I mean, jeez. So I'm gonna go ahead and where's the screwdriver at? There it is. Take it off and see if it'll run. I'm putting this video up because a lot of people are having these problems, and this might just be all you need is a new air filter. And the way you can test that is simply by taking it off. Get the rest off by your hand. I just feel that's easier. Look at that. That was worse, guys. I cleaned it. Ugh. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like on that lawnmower over there. It's a lot better. So let's go ahead and try to start it. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna have to prime it a few times. Don't ever run it without the air filter, because if crap gets in there, you're screwed. Maybe flooded. Shit. Just doesn't look all that great. Now I wish he took. It was my dad, and he's storing it over here for this winter. I wish he would have took a little better care of it. He's had this thing for about 3 years, and he never changed the damn thing. Oh, shit. I might do a review on this lawnmower once it's fixed. Try priming it a few more times, but I do not think that's the problem. There's gas in there, so that's not it. I do believe it's flooded, if you ask me, actually. Possibly water could have got in. Here. I might try starting it without the camera in my hand. It might be a bit easier. So it might work. Down one more. Alright, let's try it. We almost got it. Hear that spark plug? Pop. Shit. Could be a bad spark plug even. So, be honest, I really don't know what to do right now. Well, there is one more thing I guess I could try. Putting a little gas in here. Don't put too much though, for God's sake. Let's see if that does anything. Bad thing, I just flooded it even more. Well, really all I can do is let this sit for a little bit. Keep you guys updated, I guess. I'll do 10 more pulls. 1. 8. Got some more. 4, 5, 6. Whoa! Shit, we almost got this bad thing. Probably one more time. God, come on. Damn thing. Probably over 10, but I almost got it. Oh well. Alright, I'll come back to it in a few minutes. Let you guys know what happens. Alright. Well, be back.